In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to add a custom thumbnail to your YouTube shorts. Let's get started. First, launch your YouTube app. Now at the bottom, you're going to find a fun option. Click on this plus option. Right now, YouTube only allows you to choose a frame from within your video as the thumbnail. So if you want a custom design, make sure to place that image as the very first frame of your short before uploading. Also, this process must be done through the YouTube mobile app. The desktop version won't let you change the short. You can either record one on the spot or upload a pre-recorded video from your phone. For this guide, I'm going to record the short. When you reach the screen where you can add your title and details, look at the video preview and tap the little pencil icon in the top left corner. Now you can scrub through the video and select the exact frame you want to use as your thumbnail, whether it's a random shot or the custom frame you designed at the beginning. After you choose the frame, tap the checkmark icon and your thumbnail will be set. Then simply hit upload short and YouTube will publish it with your selected thumbnail. And that's how easy it is to add a thumbnail to YouTube shorts. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.